So what's going on, guys? PnW back in the house. Check this out, guys. We got ourselves a whole new space. Look at this. Oh, there we go. Check it out. Started ourselves a whole new scale garage this week, guys. Definitely recorded that. So if you guys want to see how I made this, and it's just started, so got it down here in the studio today, just to show you guys. This is what we're actually going to be doing, is upgrading the B-17 Betty with Treal aluminum wheels, and then we're also going to use the RC four-wheel drive rock crushers micro crawler tires. So yes, these are from RC four-wheel drive. This stuff here is from Treal. Sorry guys, I'm kind of under the weather, I think, but wanted to show this stuff going on the wheels today. Kind of get an unboxing, show off the new scale garage. It's actually 1/10 scale. So the little trucks and the little cars look a little funny, I think. Comment below. But also, just starting off, I printed some items for the garage, so I think that's pretty neat. Feel like a kid again. So milk crate. This one was pretty tough. I kind of beat it up taking it apart, but it turned out pretty good. And then also we printed the barrel. So this is going to be the scale at PnwRc right here. So here we go. Let's unbox this stuff and package it. See what's inside the bags, really. And then I got a special trick, a little tip that I'm going to show you guys that are actually out there crawling. So definitely stay tuned for that. Hope my buddy doesn't get really too mad at me for telling him. I guess we'll find out if he watches the video, if I told anybody. So stay tuned for that. So let's get these out of the package, and yeah, let's go. Oh wow, so check it out. Now I wish somebody would have told me this when I got these wheels. I couldn't find a video anywhere on the internet. Maybe if I would have dug a little deeper. But these are way smaller than the stock tires, so check that out. Alright, so they're actually quite a bit smaller in height, and then in width. Yeah, they're just a little bit smaller. So anyways, check out the garage. Got a broken axle there from the monster truck. There's the water barrel I was talking about. Got some pictures hung up. Cut in a window. And we got the Trax. This is actually the 18th scale truck. So here we go, back to the wheels. Got a set of calipers here. So these are the 1.0s, but they are actually 46 millimeters. Let's measure them in inches, guys. So they're about 1 7/8 inches. 46 millimeters is the size of the tire, and then they're about 20 millimeters wide. So look at that, those are pretty sweet. But there we go, that's the part number. I'll leave the link below in the video where I got these, but those are the rock crushers. Got foam in the tires. But follow along, guys. We're gonna got a little trick. So there's the other one. So there we go. Okay, so moving on, guys. Let's unpackage these wheels. So I kind of got the camera zoomed in because the stuff is so small. I'm actually new to all of this stuff. Never really liked crawling, but for some reason the scale portion of it has really intrigued me. So here we are. These are again the Treal wheels. There we go. I'll leave the link in the description where I got these. These are the 22 grams So Treal SCX24 Beadlock Wheels with brass rings, 22 grams, gray. So looks like it comes with a sticker set. We'll have to hang that on the wall. So look at those guys. Definitely pretty nice. So let's get the scissors and break those out, and we'll start mounting them up. Oh, look at that with ease. Look at that. Alright guys, so we're back. Took a little break. Had to find a wrench. I don't even know what size this is. It's really small, so super dinky. Anyways, let's finish opening up these wheels. I got the scale out. Whoa! I lost one. Oh man, look at that wheel. Look at that thing, guys. Super nice. Just stop and look at one. So that must be the weighted ring they're talking about right there. It's got a logo on it, teal logo. Sorry guys, it's super small. It's kind of hard to film because it's so small. I'm just learning that too. I'm learning everything right now. Anyways, yeah. So there's the wheel. Turn on the scale so you can see it, I think. And 22.2 grams. So that's what that wheel weighs. So the wheel and the tire, it's going to weigh 30.7 grams. Let's weigh a stock tire. Whoa, so we're gaining a lot of weight. So 12.7 grams for a stock wheel and tire. And again, we were at 30.7. So this should be pretty awesome. And then stay tuned. We have just a little trick coming up. So let's get these mounted up. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's the trick. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the foam out of the tire, right? And then what we're going to do, guys, yeah, see, just take the foam out of the tire, comes right out. And we're just going to take a, excuse me, a shotgun shell. Just cut this on the garage floor. Just want to mention, so we're getting into some smaller parts. Super small screws. These guys are like super tiny. I think they're like, I'm not sure, I think 0.5s. But anyways, shout out to Cowrc. It's right there, guys, Cowrc.com. I'm not sponsored by them. They just make awesome, amazing products. So go ahead and there it is. I'll leave it in the link below as well. But anyways, this is one of their smaller mats for screws like this. So check it out. Watch how it works. Let me just put this right here for a second. Alright, so here we go. Let's zoom in. Alright guys, so you see that? Pretty amazing. So, alright, it is a 0.5. So I actually got 2.5 inches. This is just a smaller one. By Protanium Steel. I still don't know the wheel nut size. If you know this wheel nut size and where's the tool to get it, let me know in the link below. So, oh, those are the screws for the wheels. So here we go. You can see this from my first attempt. Again, we got the shotgun pellets in there. And then if they're directional, I didn't look at that, so always make sure you're going. I guess they're non-directional. So they look the same to me. Yeah. Anyways, get the ring inside the wheel, the tire. You can just go ahead and slide these right into the ring. Okay. probably at the same time. You're probably going to want to make sure your nuts are lined up because it's not going to spin very freely on the rubber of the wheel. So let's take a look. Okay, so there we go. So this is how you put your Treal wheels on your SCX24. After you get the wheel together, get the tire on the wheel, just go ahead and add these. These are just for looks. They're so small. There we go. Alright, so again guys, these things are actually super simple to put together. I heard in the forums or Facebook or somewhere online that heard something about trying to get these tires on. I'm not sure what they were talking about, but maybe it wasn't these wheels or tires, but there was just a fear it was not going to be easy, but that was pretty simple. So definitely, you probably already have the truck, I suspect. Some people actually buy wheels or accessories before they get them. You're going to want a 1.5, or excuse me, you're going to want a 0.5 millimeter wrench for these wheels. That's the size of the tool it takes. So we got one more tire to weight. One more tire to weight, and that'll be that. So here we go. Let's get these last two tires off the truck. And the mat is super handy. Better not stack those tires too tall. They might fall over and injure somebody. You can tell I'm a newbie with the crawlers, look. Okay, so there we go. Use the provided washer. Comes with the wheel kit. Alright, so check that out. And then put the nut on. So these wheels definitely change the height of the truck, and I suspect the width. I don't know if it'll still be rubbing or not anymore. I'm kind of curious to find out, and I'll let you know. So there we go. Just got one more to go. So there's the last wheel. We got the pellets in the wheel, and then super simple like before. Just take the screw the back of the wheel. It comes with 2 screws in it. So you take the wheel apart. And what you're going to do is just stick the center piece through the wheel. Just kind of squeeze the wheel so the beads don't fall out. There we go. Get the bead inside of the bead of the wheel without losing all the beads. That's the trick. Okay, so I only lost 2. So that's what it's going to look like sitting inside the wheel, and then you're just going to take whichever side you want because they're not directional. Okay. And you're going to take the opposing side, line up the circles. Just make sure you're not catching on the rubber as you're pushing this in. Kind of pushing them together, I guess you could say. So kind of pull. Oh, nice. There we go. So that's right into place. Bead lock is set inside the wheel. All we got to do is screw this last one together and we'll be crawling in no time. Definitely want to make sure your wheels are set in there square, otherwise you'll strip out that little screw also. Don't over tighten them. I'm not using thread lock, I'm just not going to do it. These aren't going to come off, I don't think. So that's the last one. Super easy. And last but not least, throw the wheel on. She's ready to go. There we go. Oh, look at that with ease. Oh, all right, so we'll just pretend we made it up. So that's some pretty gnarly stuff. Check it out. It's pretty gnarly. There we go. Thing crawls like a beast. Alright, so let's go back. So here we go. No more rubbing. Alright everybody, so that's going to end the video. Got the wheels installed, got to run the truck, got to show everybody the new garage that we're working on, so that's pretty awesome. Definitely way more to come for the garage. Check out the truck. I'm definitely really happy with the looks of it. I wasn't so sure about the size, but now I'm super happy because they don't rub. So no complaints, super easy to put on, and they look really good on the truck. So definitely hit that subscribe button, guys. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will catch you guys later.